Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Sades EK-1 LED keyboard. But before we get started with that, a little shameless plug for subscribers. The more subscribers I have, the more tools that YouTube make available to me, and hopefully in the future I'll have enough subscribers to approach companies and ask for products for review. So if you like this video or find any of my videos helpful at all, please click that subscribe button. Okay, apologies, I lost the audio for this, so I'm doing this voiceover style. Here we have the box that the keyboard comes in. You can see we have a metal back cover. We have injected plastic keys and bright colourful LEDs. Comes in a few different languages. This is the UK version, and it is USB 2.0. On the back box we have some more information here in questionable English. And we have the Amazon FBA sticker there as well. Yes, there's one from Amazon, and there is an affiliate link in the description below. So, on opening the box, or attempting to open the box here, we can see that the keyboard is fairly well packaged in the box, in this kind of soft plastic bagging. The keyboard, first impressions of the keyboard is it's fairly heavy. I've only ever used stock keyboards as the first keyboard I've actually bought, and I was surprised at just how heavy it was. The backplate does feel a little cheap and is a little bit flexible if you push on it itself, but for the price point you can't really complain at that. I was trying to show how clicky the keys are here, but I will insert some audio of that later on in the video instead. Quite a decent USB cable on the keyboard, so no complaints there. The only other thing in the box is a quick card, just showing some of the function keys and some of the function for LED lights. And here we have the keyboard plugged in. You can see that the backlights are quite bright. There's a few settings to those, 3 or 4 different brightness settings. The keycaps themselves all have a small divot to them, which makes typing very comfortable. And altogether this is a really high quality keyboard for the price. Here we can see the keyboard's breathe function. Unfortunately it's not the best, and it does only have one speed. Now a quick demonstration of what the keyboard sounds like while typing. And there we have it, my unboxing and review of the Sades EK-1 LED keyboard. If you have found this useful at all, please do subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.